If all of the governors of the Igbo-speaking states and all of the senators from the Igbo states decided to come together in unity and put away party affiliations, it would confer on Igbo land a great bargaining power for policies that will benefit all of Igbo land. Different ethnic groups in multi-ethnic countries across the world all engage in this kind of political bargaining. But for this to happen for Igbo land, there must be unity. But first, I want to return to what I said earlier, Igbo, bu Igbo. The contemporary distinctions we often make today about Igbo identity, they're not cultural identities, they're political identities. There's a difference between a cultural identity and a political identity. When we say somebody is Delta Igbo, it is a political identity. It is not a cultural identity. Igbo-speaking peoples are one nation, one language, with different dialects. All languages have dialects. A dialect is not a language. So let us use Germany as an example. Germanic tribes have existed for centuries in Western Europe, but it was only relatively recently in the 19th century that these Germanic tribes decided to come together with the different dialects of the same language, German, and they united to form what we now know as the modern German state. Political identities are acts of political expediency. They're transient, they're fleeting, and they're hollow at the core. But cultural identities come from shared language, shared traditions, shared ideals. All Igbo peoples are Igbo. Nobody is more Igbo than another. Igbo bu Igbo.
Whether you like it or not, Chimamanda is a blessing to the Igbo race. She has been in Nigeria for the last few weeks, speaking from one podium, one stage, from one state to the other, talking about Igbo unity, the future of Igbo race. And that's why I want to use this opportunity on behalf of Undenaso Bia Social Cultural Organization. Whoever can get the contact of Chimamanda across to me or to any of us, Spirit Almighty, Igbo Ezue, Barrister Fochi, Boyogu, and Cosmos Agada, even Charlington and Chi Endalane, anybody that can get Chimamanda contact to us, please do. We will like to honor Chimamanda with an award come 29th and 30th August, when the Ndenaso Bia Social Cultural Organization will host Igbo Unification Conference, Igbo Zari Igbo. Because if you listen keenly to Chimamanda, she has been a voice talking about Igbo unity and has been a voice advocating for the Igbos in the South and North Central to recognize themselves as Igbos and not political identity. You know, we keep saying this in over and over because repetition calls for emphasis. I want you to understand that there is nothing like Delta Igbo. We have made this mistake over and over. Let me give you an example. There are Yorubas in Anioma today, Delta, but nobody calls them Delta Yoruba. Nobody calls Yorubas in Kogi, Kogi Yoruba. Nobody calls Yoruba in Kwara, Kwara Yoruba. There are Igalas in Anioma today, Delta State. Nobody calls them Delta Igala. Why should we call ourselves Delta Igbo? I know, like I have always said, I'm not going to push blame to anybody in this generation who tried to make this statement. It is not your fault. It is greater to divide us. That is why even in the spelling, they will put it IBO instead of IGBO. And some of us, including my father, bought into this lie that made us to believe that we are not Igbo. That even if we are going to be Igbo, our own is going to be different. Because the political identity is not our origin. We are here when the state Delta was created, how can the Delta that my village is older than become my identity? How can? So we are not Delta Igbos, we are Igbo, Igbo be Igbo. Men, that is why we are hosting that conference. Igbos are Igbo. We are all Igbo, even though we have dialectical differences. And that was what Chimamanda is stressing on that podium. We have dialectical differences. And it will amaze you that dialect is not only peculiar to the Igbos, it's peculiar to every language that have multiple people living. In China, like the example she gave, in Germany, it's like that in England, in the Great Britain, I mean to say. We have dialectical difference. So that's why when people come and say Okwani is different from Igbo, I say, what is Igbo? There's nobody that owns the Igbo. Nobody owns it. The dialects are all part of Igbo language. Nsukka does not speak like Obolafo. Obolafo does not speak like Nkanu. Nkanu does not speak like Oka. Oka does not speak like Obosi. Obosi does not even speak like Ogbaru. But they are all Igbos. Oguta does not speak like Owere. Owere does not speak like Umuaya. Umuaya does not speak like Ngwa. Ngwa does not speak like Aro. The same thing with Abriba. Everybody has his own unique dialectical language. And when you cross over to this side of the Niger, the same thing. Inside Enuani, Asaba does not speak like Onchubo. Onchubo does not speak like Obolo. Obolo does not speak like Ogwash. But there are similarities in the dialects. There are similarities in the tongue. The similarity is what united us together. Apart from the names, which are the same. The dem Olumbidi in Ibanke and Wembidi in Anambra. They have Onichubo in Delta and they have Onichubo in Ebonyi State. Uniqueness. That my name is Chukwuemeka in Onchubo, and when Chukwuemeka Odumogojuku from Nnewi, Anambra State. The similarities. We all wear red cap. We all have our four. We all do Ikenga. Our deities are the same. Our cultures are similar. Dancing, the music. These are the things that make us Igbo. Nobody owns the Igbo. So when you say Southeast are Igbo, you are making it look as if they are the owners of the Igbo. No, nobody owns it. So far you have these similarities. You are speaking Bia, Ndo, no. You are an Igbo person because it's that name identify all of us under one umbrella. This is what Chimamanda is talking about. So Delta is not your identity. In case you don't know, the agitation for Anioma State has been old. Imagine tomorrow, the great Anioma State. Will you not be saying Anioma is your origin? This Anioma that you are fighting for today, if the great, will you not be saying is your origin? It's not your origin. Just the same way Delta is not your origin, because Delta was one day created. Your origin cannot be created. You are born into it. It's not political identity. It's natural identity. It is natural. It follow come. The father you are denying doesn't take away. I have said it time without number that a son can deny his father. Father can deny son. The DNA test proves that both of you are linked. So you also can get a fisi makabaka can go red sine nuda. Agama lizard tribe. Ne misi pa will not agree. I will not agree. Iwo only Igbo. You are an Igbo person. And to make it sweet, that is what we are asking for Anioma State. The essence of Anioma State is that we will not solve the problem of Igbos, which has been 5 states. in the entire geopolitical zones. In 2005, Reform Confab in Abuja, it was reached that Anioma state should be created. In fact, then Onitsha and Ogbaru was supposed to join. But I know many of you will start arguing. Now, if Onitsha now and Ogbaru today in Anambra are Igbos, and they are supposed to join us when they are supposed to grade when they did the 2005 confab, tell me if it's not an Igbo speaking state we want to grade. Evidence, Yakpa, because as I'm talking to you, 1994 Constitutional Conference, we still have this letter coming from Nnamdi Azikiwe and Dennis Osadebe, who led the motion that Anioma state should be created. So they wanted us to move out of the west and join the eastern region. Not be saying our land they change the location. So the fact that the River Niger passed through us does not mean that this side of we on this side are not Igbos, or that we cannot join and be called Eastern Nigeria. It is a nomenclature. Or we cannot be joined and be called Southwest. It is a nomenclature to identify us politically, so that when we want to do things, we do things in unity and in common. And that is what Chimamanda is saying there, that we need to drop our political differences. If you look at it critically, in today's politics, the Igbo are the only people that has multiple political dimensions in their political system. We have AFGA ruling a state, we have Labour ruling a state, we have PDP, we have APC. This is the only zone that has all. Every other zone is only two. Either is PDP or APC. But we are still the one. So you can understand that we don't run politics. We don't run the politics of zones. You say Igbo Labour Party is for the Igbos. We don't run that political party system. We run a political party in Igbo region of who can do better. We don't look at party to vote. If we look at party, we won't vote AFGA. If we look at party, we won't vote Labour. But we look at people, and we don't look at it from the party the person. We look at people to vote. That's why AFGA is here ruling. Labour is here ruling. However, after these things, we also have to drop our political differences and come together. This is why we want Anioma state to come, so that we can add our voice to the southeastern and make a good economic development for the region. Now, for some of you who think that the state needs to be created and put in the south side, let me ask you a question. Many of you believe that Tinubu is a selfish, tribalistic, and plain nepotism kind of politics. He will consider the southwest before that region. Let me ask you, southwest as of today has 6 states. Will you, if you are Tinubu, create a state and leave it in south-south, so that south-south will have 7 states, and the southeast that you want to solve a problem is not solved? Yet his own southwest is not the one he added to. Will you do that? Will you do that? If now you be Tinubu, will you create a state and leave it in south-south? Because I don't want them to call it southeast. I don't want them to know that I'm an Igbo person. If you are Tinubu, will you do that? If you are sincere to yourself, you know that it doesn't make sense. There is an imbalance in the geopolitical zones, and where we have a major problem of imbalance is in the southeast. So a state was demanded to be created, and that state should solve the problem. But you are here trying not to solve the problem because of their selfish interests, because of a name tag. I know the funniest thing, I laugh at you people because it's a waste of time. You heard that video, many of you are sharing it. As I said, he doesn't want the state to be greater and live in South-South. Yes, that is your mindset. That is the mindset of everybody. Because you are running away. You don't want IPOB. You don't want Biafra to come. You don't want this. You don't want that. You don't want them to. You don't want to identify with your origin. I told you that it's called self-hate. You hate yourself. You are not doing the Igbos. I've made a video where I said that this same mistake we are trying to correct, our forefather made it. This state has been there. We have been asking for this, but your fathers are the one who stopped it during the time they made this move. And you still want to make it again. Look at Delta today. Look at Delta North today. I saw what happened in my village on Chubo, where truck failed because no road. From Udumujubo to Onchubo, the road is a major road that people going to Abuja and not pass. Truck will be falling and be killing people. No road. But you want to stay in Delta where you are not benefiting. Look at Asaba as a capital. Nothing is going on. No lights, no security, no road, no infrastructure, no employment. So you are running away because you don't want to be called Igbo. But we are dying every day and they have been killing you, marginalizing you in Nigeria as an Igbo person. So why don't you join them? You are removing yourself from the equation. You are going to face the wrath. Your children will suffer it. That's the truth. So the need for the state to be created is to move it to southeast so that it solve the question. Not be saying that your land they move. Not be say Igbo man go come rule you. No Igbo man will come and rule you. But for us to have a voice, when the state is created, we will be the one enjoying it. We're only going to be called Southeastern state. But that doesn't take away now, nobody will go run the government. That doesn't take away, it's not our money we'll use and finance and build projects for ourselves. The last time I checked, Tinubu say, they listen to social media. They don't abuse the hell out of me. I don't look at social media. Benny, that is true. Because if they look at social media, they won't make decisions. They'll be sentimental. This agitation has been there and this government wants to solve it. And I want to thank every politician, 85 senators out of 109, that endorsed this. And the governors, the 26 governors that have endorsed this, may God bless you. We are waiting the day it will be announced so that joy will erupt in the whole of Igbo. As we are waiting for that, please support us financially for us to have a successful conference, Igbo Unification Movement, 29th and 30th of August. DM me if you want to donate. Or as I make this video, I will drop on the comment section the account where you can drop the money. Thank you and God bless you. I'm out of here, John. Mwah.